Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about this product that is on Show brand. So guys, this is a finger shaped pot cover. You can use it to hold your pot while cooking. This product is around $12, so you can click here also and buy it on Show brand. You can place your order now. So let's dive into the features of this product. So now let's dive into the key features of this product. This holder has a unique space that keeps pot cover in place. It also holds spoons, keeping them nearby and countertop clean. This product is made from strong materials that can handle high temperatures. It works with many different pot sizes and types. This product is simple to wipe, clean or put in the dishwasher. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Till my next video. Goodbye for now.